Good afternoon, officer. Is there a problem?
Good afternoon, ma'am. You were driving quite fast.
Oh, I am very sorry. I did not check my speed.
The limit is 40 here. You exceeded that limit.
I am a safe driver usually. My heart is beating fast.
Please stay very calm. Just breathe for a moment.
This is my first stop. I feel very nervous.
I see your hands shaking. Take a deep breath now.
I am a professional florist. I have a big delivery.
That explains the floral scent. It is very strong.
A wedding starts very soon. I must be on time.
Safety is more important. Weddings can wait a bit.
You are absolutely right, officer. I feel very silly.
Please show me your documents. I need your license.
They are in my bag. I will find them quickly.
Do not rush yourself. Take your time, please.
I think they are here. My bag is very messy.
Check the glove box. Many people keep papers there.
That is a good idea. I will look there first.
Is this your personal car? It is very clean.
Yes, it is mine. My van broke down today.
That is very unfortunate news. It's a bad day.
The flowers are very heavy. I am quite stressed.
Stress causes many accidents. You must stay focused.
I understand your point. I will try to relax.
Do you have the insurance? I need that paper too.
I am looking for it. It should be right here.
I see a white card. Is that the document?
Yes, I found it. Here is everything you need.
Thank you, Lily. I will check the records.
Is my license okay? It is not expired yet.
Let me check the date. It looks valid to me.
I renewed it last year. It was a simple process.
The registration is also here. The dates are correct.
That is a big relief. I was worried about that.
Wait here for a moment. I must check my computer.
Please be quick, officer. The bride is very anxious.
I must follow the rules. It is my daily job.
The flowers need fresh water. They are wilting slowly.
They are very beautiful flowers. What are they called?
Those are white lilies. They match my own name.
That is a lovely coincidence. Do you grow them?
Yes, I have a garden. I love my colorful work.
My wife loves yellow roses. Do you have those?
I have many yellow roses. They represent true friendship.
That is a very interesting fact. I did not know.
I can make a bouquet. I love helping people.
Focus on the road first. Safety is the priority.
I am sorry for talking. I'm just very anxious.
It is okay to talk. It helps people relax.
Is my record clean? I try to be good.
I am checking it now. It looks perfect so far.
I never had a ticket. I hope to keep it.
A clean record is good. It shows you care.
I care about the law. I respect your work.
Thank you for your respect. It means a lot.
Is the sun too hot? You look very warm.
It is a hot day. My uniform is quite heavy.
I have some cold water. Would you like a bottle?
No, thank you, ma'am. I am not allowed to.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.
Why was I so fast? I feel very ashamed.
You were doing 55. The zone is only 40.
Oh, that is very high. I am so embarrassed.
This is a school zone. Children are often here.
I did not see children. I was looking at roses.
That is very dangerous, Lily. You must watch signs.
I feel terrible about it. I love little children.
They cross the street daily. Safety is for them.
I will never speed again. I promise you that.
Promises are easy to make. Driving slow is harder.
I will set an alarm. It will help me.
Use the cruise control. It keeps a steady speed.
My car does not have it. It is an old model.
Then use your eyes often. Check the speedometer.
I will check it constantly. I will be very careful.
The wedding is in town. Is it at the church?
Yes, it is very close. It is at St. Mary's.
That is only 2 miles. You have plenty of time.
The ceremony starts at 3. It is almost 2:30.
2 miles takes 5 minutes. You are not late.
I thought it was later. My watch is fast.
Then you can drive slowly. There's no emergency.
You are a very wise man. Thank you, officer.
I see many people rushing. It never ends well.
I don't want a crash. That would be awful.
A crash ruins a wedding. Think about that, Lily.
I will think about it. I want a happy day.
I am glad we talked. You seem much calmer.
I feel better now. You are very kind.
I am just doing my duty. I protect the people.
Look at this digital radar. The number is very clear.
Wow, 55 is big. I am truly shocked.
My radar is very accurate. It is tested daily.
I cannot argue with that. The machine is right.
I must write a report. Please wait a moment.
Is it a big ticket? I have little money.
I am making a decision. It depends on you.
I am very, very sorry. I learned my lesson.
You have a clean record. That is a good thing.
I want to keep it. Please be merciful today.
I am a fair officer. I look at everything.
I will drive like a snail. I will be slow.
Do not drive too slow. Just follow the limit.
40 miles per hour. I will remember that.
I am writing the details. The car is yellow.
Yes, it is bright yellow. It is easy to see.
A yellow car should be safe. It is very visible.
I love the color yellow. It makes me smile.
Smiles are good for driving. They reduce the stress.
You are very good at this. Do you like cars?
I like keeping roads safe. That is my passion.
How long is the report? I am still worried.
It is almost finished now. Just a few lines.
I am waiting right here. My hands are still.
Good. You are much calmer. That is very helpful.
I'm thinking of the bride. She will be happy.
She will have her flowers. You will be safe.
That is a perfect outcome. I am very grateful.
I am coming back now. Stay in your seat.
I am not moving at all. I am ready.
I have a paper here. It is for you.
Oh no, is it it? My heart is sinking.
This is just a warning. It is not a ticket.
A warning? Truly? Thank you so much.
Do not be too happy. It is still a record.
I understand, Officer Miller. I will be very good.
If I see you again, I will write a fine.
There will be no again. I am a new driver.
I like your new attitude. It is very positive.
I will tell my friends you are a fair man.
Tell them to drive slow. School zones are important.
I will tell everyone today. Safety is the first rule.
Here is your license back. Keep it in your bag.
I will put it away. It is safe now.
Check your seatbelt again. It must be very tight.
It is buckled and ready. I am very secure.
Good. That is very important. Accidents happen fast.
I will remember your words. They are very helpful.
The sun is moving now. It is getting cooler.
That is good for roses. They like the shade.
I must go to my car. My break is over.
Have a very safe day. Thank you for mercy.
You are very welcome, Lily. Drive with great care.
I am starting my engine. It sounds very quiet.
Wait for the traffic gap. Do not rush out.
I am looking in mirrors. The road is busy.
A blue truck is coming. Wait for it to pass.
I see the blue truck. I am waiting patiently.
Now the road is clear. You can go slowly.
I am moving my car. Goodbye, Officer Miller.
I am back on road. I feel very relieved.
She is driving very well. Her speed is perfect.
I am watching the needle. It is exactly 40.
I will follow her a bit. I want to be sure.
I see the police car. He is still behind me.
She used her blinker early. That is very good.
I am turning left here. The church is near.
She is a fast learner. I am very proud.
I am parking the car. I made it safely.
I am pulling over here. I will watch her.
I am taking the roses. They look very fresh.
She is carrying the flowers. They are very bright.
I see Officer Miller waving. He is a nice man.
I am tipping my cap. Have a great wedding.
I am walking to the door. The bride is smiling.
The mission is accomplished today. Everyone is safe.
I will never forget today. Safety is my friend.
I am driving to my station. It was a good day.
The wedding is starting now. The music is playing.
I love my city roads. I keep them peaceful.
I am a happy florist. I am a safe driver.
She did a great job. I am very satisfied.
The roses are on altar. They look very beautiful.
I am checking my radar. The next car is slow.
I will enjoy the cake. I will think of Miller.
It is time for coffee. My shift is ending soon.
The sun is very bright. It is a perfect day.
Be safe, everyone, today. The road is our home.
I am finally very happy. Life is very good.
The patrol car drives away. The city is safe.